our march against the Baloch genocide as following charter of demands. A fact-finding mission added by the United Nations Working Group should be sent to Balochistan for a detailed investigation regarding human rights violation in Balochistan. CTD Balochistan shall accept that it has killed Baloch Bakhsh in a staged fake encounter. All forcibly disappeared Baloch people, especially those whose families are present in this sitting, should be immediately released. CTD and death squad supported by state agencies must be eliminated while an announcement letter be issued. Confess to kill and forcibly disappeared persons in fake encounters. For this, a letter of an acknowledgement should be issued by the Ministry of Interior and a press conference should be held, which should include the names of all victims, and with that all fake encounters against peaceful protesters should be stopped. These demands persist with the movement, but though this press conference, we are issuing a 3-day ultimatum to state for the withdrawal of FIRs registered against peaceful protesters and releasing the 100+ Baloch students whose status is still missing and were arrested by police in Islamabad during the crackdown against peaceful students in Islamabad. If the state does not produce the missing students from Islamabad and does not withdraw FIRs against peaceful protesters, then the long march will be compelled to take harsh steps, and the state and its administration shall be responsible for this. The 3-day ultimatum is for the following 2 demands. All the arrested Baloch students and activists by the Islamabad police shall be released immediately and FIRs shall be quashed. All the FIR registered in different cities against the activists of the march against the Baloch genocide shall be quashed immediately. Through the medium of this press conference, we want to tell the authorities that your force, violence and tactics of oppression and subjugation will not end this movement. And this movement shall continue from now on in the form of a sit-in at the National Press Club Islamabad. Till our demands are met, we are persistent and will resist politically till last day. Thank you.